going to study.
Come on, you do not study.
I do now.
This is my house, and I can do whatever I want.
I hate to break it to you, kid, but it's my house too now.
Really? Because you are never here.
Yeah, because I have something called life that requires me to, leave every so often.
Oh, really? If only we were all so lucky.
Oh, don't give me that bullshit. Okay, the only thing that's stopping you from leaving is your own little brain.
And my useless immune system. And my horrible dysfunctional lungs. And the fact that a bee sting could probably make my throat close up and I would die!
You are killing me with the melodrama.
I have real problems.
No, okay, or you're just a whiny little baby.
I'm not a baby.
Okay. Alright, then prove it. Why don't you take one step out the front door, and if you don't run screaming back inside, I'll have Medlock bake you a cake. Congrats, Kelly. You're a normal human.
No wonder your parents dropped you in therapy. You are so cruel to people. You are messed up.
Are you done? Because I'm not being cruel to you, Callie. I am trying to help you. Can't you see that? This isn't healthy. Look at yourself. I'm trying to help you.
You don't understand me.
I don't understand you? You're not the only one with dead parents, okay? I've got 2. So get in line and get over yourself.
My mom died. Okay? She was right there. I tried to save her. I couldn't. I killed her. I killed my mom.
No, you didn't.
And now her shitty genes are gonna kill me too. But you know what? That's okay, because at least my dad wouldn't hate me anymore.
Your dad doesn't hate you. No, he doesn't.
He hates me because I ruined everything.
You didn't do anything. No, stop. Callie, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, okay? It's gonna be fine. Alright? It's gonna be fine.